Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this printable vinyl sticker paper. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. So today I'm actually going to be unboxing this paper. I'm going to show you what to expect when you receive your paper. Get a total of 30 sheets. These are clear sheets. They are 8.5 by 11. So I'm gonna take them out. This is what the sheets look like. See, the front paper is just letting you know more about the sheets for inkjet and laser printers. Durable and water resistant, excellent adhesion and smudge proof. As you can see, it has a shiny side, so I'm going to give you a closer look on that. The other side is matte. And remember, these are printable vinyl stickers, so I'm just going to go ahead and peel it just to show you that. This is what they look like, what to expect. These come in a total of a 30 pack. I'm going to go ahead and fan them for you. If you've been on the lookout for printable vinyl sticker paper, then definitely check this one out. I'm gonna go ahead and link it down below for you so you can check it out for yourself. And also, if you're not already, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.